Yeah. Come on.
Oh, shit.
Oh, 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 oh.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
You gotta hurry up then.
I know.
Cause I hear the wee woo coming. Don't judge me.
Edgar, pick one.
You mean pick one?
Go! Pick one.
Right. That's the left on
This
my
is right.
Well, I meant right on my right.
I will.
No, I'm lighting one, yo. You hold this shit.
No, you're holding it.
Come on.
Here, light this, John. You're still holding it, though.
What? If I fall, that's...
Alright. Wicks right there.
Yeah. Where?
Wicks right here. And it got short ass wick, too.
Oh my god.
Hold that real quick. Upright.
Oh, there you go. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! That was some nutty shit.
Yeah,
my heart was racing, dog.
Later. Is that trying to start recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do not do this at home, kids. This is totally not appropriate. You left the other one right here.
Keep it. Keep that right there real quick.
I'm not touching it.
What was that last one? Was that a cake? That little one?
Come on, George Ward. Let's see how many lightning bugs get caught in the crossfire.
You run like a son of a bitch.
Did it go higher or hang low?
It didn't go that high, but it went
High enough to open. I know where to go.
What are we doing?
Get what?
The lighter fell.
How you gonna drop the most important thing? It was some light freaking fireworks with our fingers. Burn sticks.
Hold on, wait. You can light this one, hold up.
Lighting two?
No, you're lighting one.
Oh.
I'm just unraveling them all. So as soon as one goes off, we'll light the other one.
It's like, no. People from the... Oh my god, it smells like farts. You smell that?
Where?
It smells like farts.
Is that still going?
You don't smell it?
No, is that still going?
Yes, it's still going.
Oh shit. Alright, here, light this one. Oh shit, light
Sulfur
that
stinks like a
one.
motherfucker.
Light that one. Well, wait for me to get out of the way. Alright, light it.
Hold on.
Run. As soon as you see sparks, run.
Oh!
Follow it up, follow it up.
Oh.
Shit. Are you fucking me right now?
Get the other one then.
Hold up.
What the hell was that? Oh shit. Pick that up. Come on, Jordan. Burning daylight.
Chill.
Get it?
There we go. Shit. Shit, that's stuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, we're using this one.
It's all warm, ain't it?
Oh, I don't know how long this one's gonna light off, so. Oh, wait.
I don't even know the wick
Wipe
is.
that John and run, right here. Alright, run. Run.
Oh! Run! Oh!
I didn't know how that was gonna work out.
My hands smell like sulfur. Smell like goat ass.
Hold up.
Burn out these embers. Did any of these people call the cops yesterday?
No.
The two houses right here?
Hold up. I'm trying to get one in the other one.
That would be a dick move.
Let me try and get one in the other two real quick.
Lighting simultaneously?
Yep.
You got another lighter?
Yeah.
Should like get a broom or some shit.
Let's clear it out.
Yeah, like a chimney, like a mini chimney thingy thing. Chimney sweep pole.
I'm good. Hold on, wait. Alright, let me light my iron first and then you light yours. Wait, no, let me light mine first.
I just want to get it.
Go. Oh, shit.
Jordan, run! Run, nigga, damn! You didn't even go off!
I know. Light, here.
Did Joel fall over?
No. Yeah, that one did. You're like, Jordan, run!
I'm not trusting this. Imagine how bad your ears would ring.
Oh no, I've done that before yesterday.
Say, Jordan, go! Go!
This tube's a champ. Fuck. Alright, get ready, hold on. Let me light my drum real quick.
Jordan, oh my god, I can't even get it. Go! I can't! Oh shit! Oh shit! I couldn't even do mine. You get like 5 seconds with these joints.
Oh my god, it's just too funny.
Scared the balls out of me.
Like, I'm going now, fuck, I ain't going.
I was like, I think I ran back. I ran forward again.
Oh my god, it's going too funny.
I was like, I'm gonna get it. Fuck it. I was like, oh shit, this nigga was talking about his ears ringing. I was like, no, I'm going.
Not me?
Yeah, you said your ears was ringing yesterday.
They were.
Damn, it's hot as shit out here too.
Are you sweating?
Yeah.
I didn't get a shower yet.
And we still got like at least a mini stack over there still.
Yeah, we do. See?
Man, we should have did this shit yesterday.
Nigga, I was doing it yesterday and you didn't come.
Nigga, you still recorded it. You have a brain too.
I forgot though. There we go.
We still got one in here.
Oh, I know. I'm seeing if this one will drop. Might need another tube from yesterday. Oh, let me go see if there's another tube real quick. Alright, shut that joint down real quick. We're gonna see if there's another tube. Is there another tube?
I'm about to light this joint.
No, not yet.
Alright, to be continued, y'all.